Hello, everybody, and I am excited to welcome Noula to this discussion. We are going to be hosting a webinar, a free webinar on August 11th. So I wanted to get this out as soon as I could. And I just thought it would be great for people to see your face. Like you're on a thumbnail, but I thought it would be good to do a little bit of an interview.
Yeah,
So could you please introduce yourself and share, and I can share a little bit more later about the webinar, and then
yeah,
also share your book, please.
we'll do. So my
Okay.
name is Noula Diamantopoulos. I'm a brain spotting trainer here in Sydney, Australia, and I'm very excited to be coming to Chicago, right? Be
Mhm.
running a 3-day specialty workshop, which is brain spotting in the expressive arts. Which what I can say in a nutshell about it is, expect the unexpected.
Yeah.
It's not what you think it might be. We're going to go to some very curious places with this. I'm also to know a little bit about me. I've got a clinical practice. I see people with, complex PTSD. I'm
Mhm.
also an exhibiting artist. I do mosaics. I've got loads of little projects on the go as well with respect to community healing types of projects. I'm involved with training in Singapore. I'm involved in training. This is brain spotting also in Greece.
Beautiful.
And now to Chicago.
Yes, yes. We're excited that you're coming over, that we'll have an opportunity to be in person. And just so we can paint a picture for you all of what this training is going to be like, we're all going to have really big tables in there. Nuala has already asked me, hey, let's go to parks and let's pick up sticks and leaves and other things from nature that we're going to use. And everything is going to be possible to be used to express, a lot of us that maybe can't express some things that are inside of us, our nonverbal parts or, pre-verbal parts. We're going to be able to do exercises and work with our insides through the expressive arts for 3 days straight. And just even the other free webinar that we did, you had us do an exercise, and I learned a lot about myself just from that exercise. So I'm looking forward to this next one.
Yeah, so we've got lots of theory to inspire you. I'm not going to talk to you. It's more of a conversation. The way that I bring these thought bursts to you, if you like, is interactive, and it follows an expressive arts process in a way.
Mm, mm,
So it's really going to engage your imagination. There are four demonstrations and therefore four dyads, but don't
mhm.
be misled by the number four, because from the four, you'll be birthing at least 16 different ways of working with the expressive arts.
Wow.
Yeah, definitely, because they can be broken down, they can be done in different ways, especially the big one on the last day, which I call the Odyssey. During the Odyssey, which is a very long immersion one. So if you take your clients on an immersion, have an immersion session with them, you're going to end up on a very big journey with your client that is to look for guidance or resolution of something that we then turn.
Mm,
So it becomes a
mm,
chapter in their healing, and then you can.
nice.
But this particular Odyssey, that alone can be broken down into many different smaller journeys. So everything that we will do, I call a journey.
Beautiful. So not only are you going to learn a lot of different things that you can do with your clients, but I also think it's very important. We're going to be there as a community and healing and learning and having fun together.
Um,
And then what I really want to emphasize, if you're like me, like I love art, I love artists, but I've always thought not me.
right.
Well, just from the two experiences I've had with you, like some of the things that I've birthed that have come out of me were artistic. And don't worry about, whether or not you can draw or whether or not you color out of the lines. That's not what this is about. This is about the process of using expressive arts to discover parts of yourself, maybe that you've never discovered before, or interact and go to a deeper level.
That's right. So expressive art is quite a big term that is used to cover mark making, if you like, gestural responses with crayons. We're going to work with dry material, wet material, and feel what the somatic expression of that is, even
Mm,
from cutting or tearing, the emotional expression of doing that, it's imbued in that process. But sound, it's
mm,
movement, right?
mm-hmm.
It's all of those things that we're going to bring into the 3 days. Lots of fun, because fun is um, it is the key to learning. It is the key
Yes,
to making everything accessible. It's a key to be us being open to possibility.
yes.
You know,
So,
and I just got a big smile on my face because I just can't
mhm.
wait, to get to see you guys, meet all of you, enjoy this time with you. You know what? It has the ones that I have run so far. The feedback that I've had from them is that it's more like a retreat.
Mm,
That's what people have said, because it's in person.
mm-hmm. Yes.
So in person has that flavor, plus what I bring, not only the processes and the curious kind of philosophy, psychology that is thought provoking for you, because it's for you to engage with it in the way that you will end up engaging with it. So I'm not, it's,
Mhm.
I will show you my way and why it is that I do it this way, but I will also encourage you to do it your way.
Beautiful.
So, you know, this flavor of a retreat, what I realized was, especially when it was just that kind of feedback was coming to me so often, was because it was nourishing them,
Mm-hmm.
individuals. And
Mm-hmm.
because we would hang around afterwards,
Mm-hmm.
we would talk about different things. We would, share morning and afternoon teas together, whatever. It was just, it had
Mm-hmm.
that flavor to it. I
Yeah.
can't bring all of my stuff with me, but I'm going to see what I can source.
Yeah, you might get stopped in the airport if you try to bring all of
Yeah,
it.
it's not.
I don't want to do that. Yeah. Yeah. So please tell us a little bit about your book. Don't forget that.
Yes, I have a book. I've written a book. So this is called You Are That Is Creative. And I might bring a couple of copies over with me and talk about this book. It's
Yeah.
cool. Which is about breaking those ideas about we are not creative. It
Yes.
shows you one of the first things that this book does. It's divided into 3 sections, and that is that you do have your own creative process, but you don't recognize it. So how to
Mm-hmm.
access your own personal creative process.
Mm-hmm.
And, I've been doing this now since 1998, 99, right? The expressive arts workshops. That's before I was even a therapist. And I was
Mm,
back in the day that I was creating and running my own expressive arts workshops with a spirituality and positive psychology emphasis. That was my lens.
mm.
And then
Yeah.
I moved into psychology, and so this has opened up even more doors now. And this is the very first time after all those years of running my own workshops in many places, in corporates as well as public places, um, in my own studio. This is the very first time that I'm bringing you everything so that you can do it to the therapists. So
Mm-hmm.
it took me around about 18 months to be able to do that, because when you're intuitive, you just, sure, I create something, but then I, as you do, you go with your
Right.
intuition as to what's happening in the room, right?
And now you've got to teach it. So now you
I've got
have
to
to try
teach
to
it. So I
formulate.
figured it out.
Yeah.
I figured it
Yeah.
out without making
Yeah.
it rigid. I figured it out.
Right.
So that's why I get so
Mm-hmm.
excited. And from that, I mean, the one that I'm bringing to you is the foundation course, which is level 1. But after this course, then there's Brainspotting, the expressive arts and existentialism, and then
Mm.
Brainspotting, expressive arts and as a spiritual practice. So
Beautiful. Wonderful. So there's more. So we're excited that you're coming, and
yeah.
we hope that you got excited with this little interview. You get to meet Nuala and her energy. I mean, you can just feel her energy. And then we also have the free webinar, so you get a chance to sample a little bit. But we hope you sign up for the actual in-person class, which is in Manchese, near Chicago in Illinois. So we'd love to see you all there. So
Thank
thank you so much, Nuala, and I will see you in a few days at the webinar.
Yes, looking forward to it.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.